guys are on this bobblehead. Jake, pick one, number 2, 938. Type live. We are live. 938. 938. Grab list. Pick one here. Let's see here. Here we go. Alright, 17 spots at 3. Alright, we will drop that in. 17 entries, Corey on the bottom and the top. Alright, roll 2 dice, 5 or higher. And we have a 12, that's good. 12 times. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. That's 11 times. Dice is a 12. Next click, top spot. Good luck. And 12. Congrats to Bill. Spot number 12. You are the winner. Get in touch with Jake and pick out your bobblehead. 939. Go back. Type done. We are done. 939. 939. Verification and timestamp.